Hey, my Internet Troopers, my name is BioGame, and welcome to Factory Balls 2. Now, as you can see, I look different because I finally shaved! Well, it was getting kind of itchy and all, so I couldn't, well, let's just get to the game, because I don't know what to say. So, yeah, here's another game from my childhood, like I said in the first Factory Balls game. We got this giant ball bouncing around with spots all over it. Yeah, I remember seeing you and me in the key. Me and the key. Right. So, yes, this is also from Bart Ponte. Of course, all these Factory Balls and Me and the Key games are. There's a lot of other great games that he made. A lot of great puzzle games. And, oh boy, that elevator game, I'm not ready for it. I'm going to save that one for last. All right, so, let's get on with it. Oh, wait, no, I didn't count how many there were. No. Could you not lag on me like that, please? Thank you. All right, so blue, green, black. I'm not sure why it's sounding like that. What's going on? All right, so seed, row. I still remember. Wow, I still remember how this all works. Let's do this. Don't lag at me. All right, orange, belt, and blue, belt off. Ew. All right. Oh, red eyes, nice. So we'll just do the spot and the spot. Put on the shades because you look cool. You know, sunburn from the hot sun at the beach. That's what the sunglasses were for. You got a sunburn. Come on, don't lag on me. Stop lagging! Alright. Yellow. Little spot. And a spot. And a spot. And a spot. And the helmet, because it's, you know, not safe. Put the helmet off. It'll match the top of your head. There we go. Oh, genius. Oh, you call that a challenge, eh? You call that a challenge? Hmm? Alright. So, seed. Aww. Damn it. Hold on. Spot. Spot. Boom. 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 Boom! Headshot. Alright. Yellow. Orange. Blue. Into the blue. The blue. I'm feeling blue. Oh, you really want to do that to me now, huh? Boom. Alright, scroll that. Squeeze it. Let it die. That's nice. God, these are so clever, you know? Like all these designs here. So it's just, should I have done that? There we go, okay. Yeah, that was the right move. Okay. Oh, Mr. Big Eye! They call me Mr. Angry Eyes. Just like that. Well, this is taking a while. Ooh, you got that big side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Okay, good. Alright, so I believe I'm supposed to do. Ha! I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm smart. Look at me. I'm smart. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm a smart boy. See this? See? Look. Oh. Oh my god, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Wow. Alright. So let's see. We just okay, that works. That works. That works. That works. Good. That works. Okay. I was worried for a second I might have messed up. Because in the last game, they had extra balls in case you messed up and you had to start over. Let's see. That was loud. Okay. Wow. Okay, so maybe I do this first. So then I add that. Throw that. That. Then throw that. Hey! That's that again. Oh, is that Deadpool with his eyes showing? With no white eyes? Deadpool? Spider-Man? I don't know who it is. Could be anybody. Well, why are you lagging on me? Don't lag on me. Don't you lag on me. Please? No. Thank you. No lag. No lag. Alright. Ah, So we gotta do a little Deadpool kind of style. Okay, cause it look nice. Okay, so we're just gonna boo and a boo. Hey, look, it's Deadpool. Oh no, now it's Spider-Man. Now we're just gonna do a little one eye, two eye, bombastic side eye. Side eye. You call that a challenge? Let's see. Honestly, you call this a challenge? There we go. Genius. I am a genius. Super genius. Oh. Okay, how am I gonna do this one? So if I overwater it, it'll come off, right? Nice! Nice! Oh, little Pac-Man, little Cheese Man, or Puck-Man, because that was his original name, right? You know? So, like, I'm gonna, kind of already foreshadowing that. What is wrong with you? Just gonna do that. Turn that, he's getting ready to take a big chunk out of a ghost ass. Damn it. Bloosh. 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 There we go. Okay, so we need to make it black first. Then a little bloosh. Bloosh. And then that. And then that. Then pull them out because he's a liar and a fraud. Oh, please. Please, come on. Oh, come on. That's the exact same of what I've done before. It's the exact same. Give me a challenge. Come on. Factory Balls 3 and 4 better be hard. Let's see now. Oh, okay. Yeah, I already see what I need to do, so I'm just going to boom, 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 Okay. Now I am Confucian. I am Confucian now. Hey! Okay. I thought smart on that one. I thought hard on that one. So maybe 25 levels, maybe 30. I don't know. Come on. Don't lag on me like that, please. That's actually kind of satisfying, that little ball animation there. Nice. Excuse me. Just like that. Okay. Oh, you are a funny man. You're a funny man, you know that? Just swap that, swap, swap, swap. Just like that. Is that perfect? Sounds like my dad just... Oh, no, I just messed... Oh, I had it. I just... It's in the right spot. Oh, it's the wrong side. I had to go through all of it again. It's the wrong side. Okay. Alright. Just try it again. So, green. And yellow goes on top. Just need to... Yep. Just like that. Okay, that's the right size. That's the right size. Size, not size. Like that. Boom. What's this? A little fish bowl? A little fish bowl? Hmm? So just, Oh. Thank God they put that back in. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Ah. Boosh. 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 Snooth. Loose. Snooth. Blooth. Snooth. Loose. Kablooth. Blooth. Blooth. Snooth. Yeah, it's little smooth bunny. Smooth bunny. You gonna give me a real challenge? Hmm? Just do... Uh-oh. No. I got it! Ah. Okay, I was swearing I messed up. Alright, so this might be the last one. No, this is 29. Okay, 30 levels though. 30 total. Got it. Let's just Boosh. 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 Kabushi. Kaboosh boosh. Kabloose. Blue one. Yeah, that's good. That's good. There we go. Nice. Ah. I don't know if I could do it. No. Damn. I didn't know I was gonna do the top one first. So let's do blue. Just like that. Then make it red for the other fish, which is in the wrong spot. Why would you? Oh. Okay. So make it red. Okay. Boosh. Boosh. Doosh. Nice. Nice one. You have completed all 30 levels. Oh, well, thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. And it was a little more challenging than the last game. Hopefully the next 2 games are even like harder, because like, you know, I want to make like long videos. You know, I want like real challenges for my brain. Okay, so 2 balls. Still, it's not over, so sit back and enjoy the end show with some more balls, of course. Please visit my vlog, Bonte Games. Oh yeah, sure. I want to see what other games you got, because I want a real challenge, Mr. Bonte. Or Bont. I don't know, V silent. Bounce, bounce. Bouncy balls. Oh, hi. Wow. Oh, you are adorable. I was wanting to say hideous, but no, I'm trying to be nice, so I'm gonna say you look adorable. Wow. Creative cooperations. Right. Okay, so that was Factory Balls 2. Okay, so there were more levels than the first game, and it was a lot more challenging. Oh, little fishies. Fish. All right, so hopefully the next 2 games have a lot more harder challenges for me. So anyways, 2008. Wow. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. Have an awesome day. I will see you all in the next video. I miss my deer.
There's no place like home. Oh yeah, 'cause I can be anywhere in the whole wide world right now, but I wanna go there. But it's alright, it's okay. Home don't want me there anyway. Still wanna go there. Oh well, oh well, oh well. Oh well, gotta move along. Taking my steps, can't look back. Gotta keep going, gotta stay on track. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes I get sad.